Dear ladies and gentlemen, our chief guest for the evening, Shri Nishant Yadav, IAS Deputy Commissioner, Chandigarh Administration, is here with us. Our chief guest for the evening is lighting the lamp that symbolizes knowledge, creativity. I'd request the Nesh sir, Nihal sir to please come forward and join us in this blessed ceremony. Dear ladies and gentlemen, if you could lend me your ears and be part of this ceremony, it'll be great. This lamp, in a way, reminds us the guiding role of teachers, who are the silent architects of this society. I'd request Goldie ma'am, Shore sir, Jaskamal ma'am to please come forward and join us in lighting the ceremonial lamp. Well, we light this lamp with a hope to always invoke positivity, creativity, and an artistic spirit that makes our lives more meaningful than ever. Once again, a very good evening and a very warm welcome to artists, art lovers. It is truly a moment of great pride and honor for Chandigarh Lalit Kala Academy to host the second Tri-City School Art Teachers Exhibition and Awards. This is an event, dear audience, that is dedicated to celebrating those people, those souls who very quietly but very passionately, very profoundly shaped the world of art. So on this note, I first request our chairman of the Academy, Shri Bhim Malhotra, Chandigarh Lalit Kala Academy, to please come forward and share his vision about this event, sir.
So respected Shri Nishant Yadav ji, IAS, DC, Chandigarh Administration, and all award winners, our special honored artists, Goldie ji, Subhash Shore ji, Jaskamal ji, our from culture department, Nihal Chand Dogra ji, Dinesh ji, and तुली साहब, DS कपूर जी, वैसे काफ़ी सारे नाम है, अब मैं किसका नाम लूँ. तो आई वेलकम ऑल ऑफ यू एंड कॉन्ग्रेचुलेट ऑल द अवार्ड विनर्स. जो आज का जो हमारा इवेंट है स्कूल आर्ट टीचर एग्जीबिशन, दिस इज़ आवर सेकंड इवेंट. तो दिस इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट इवेंट इसलिए क्योंकि जो स्कूल आर्ट टीचर है वो एक बेस होता है बच्चे का. अगर मैं अपनी बात कहूँ, अगर मेरा स्कूल आर्ट टीचर मुझे आज से 50 साल पहले मुझे इंस्पायर ना करता, कि मेरे पेरेंट्स को ना बुलाता कि लड़का ड्राइंग में अच्छा करता है, इसको आर्ट कॉलेज में भेजो, 50 साल पहले भी उस गांव के ड्राइंग टीचर को पता था कि यहाँ चंडीगढ़ में कोई आर्ट कॉलेज है. अगर वो ना भेजता तो शायद आज मैं यहाँ ना खड़ा होता. तो आप ये देखो कि इसकी कितनी इम्पोर्टेंस है। आप लोगों के ऊपर बहुत रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है, स्कूल आर्ट टीचर के ऊपर। कॉलेज के आर्ट टीचर तो बाद में आते हैं, पर पहले आपके ऊपर बहुत रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है। सो थैंक यू वेरी मच।
Thank you so much, sir. Dear audience, we now arrive at the most important segment, the most beautiful segment of this evening, and that is the Honours Conferment Ceremony. For the same, I'd request our distinguished guest, our chief guest, Shri Nishant Yadav, IAS, Deputy Commissioner, Chandigarh Administration, to please come forward, sir. So we now begin with the Honours Conferment Ceremony. So we begin with the Honours Conferment Ceremony. I first request artist Robin Singh. Artist Robin Singh from Government Model Senior Secondary School Sector 32C Chandigarh to please come forward. Sir is awarded a cash award of rupees 25,000 for his work titled Lust of Life. We'll make way for the artist. The audience, without your applause, the honor will seem incomplete. Our next awardee is artist Prabjot Sondh, who's also awarded with a cash award of 25,000. He's a proud teacher of Government Model Middle School, Sector 13, Chandigarh. He's been awarded for his work titled The City Beautiful. Our next awardee is artist Danish Khan. Danish Khan awarded for his work titled I Know Everything. He's also been given a cash award of rupees 25,000. And he's faculty in DAV Model School, Sector 15, Chandigarh. Our next award winner, artist Sunena. Artist Sunena. Artist Sunena also takes away a cash award of 25,000. She's been given this award for her work titled Lost, and she's a faculty in St. John's High School, Sector 26, Chandigarh. Our next award winner is artist Jagdeep Jolly. Artist Jagdeep Jolly, he's been awarded for his work titled Flight to Word. He takes away a cash award of 25,000. And he's presently a faculty in Government Model Senior Secondary School, Sector 45A, Chandigarh. Our next award winner is artist Dalvinder Singh. Artist Dalvinder Singh, is he here with us? Artist Dalvinder Singh is presented an award for his work titled Story of 26. This is a merit award, and he's been given a cash award of 10,000. Our next award winner is artist Kanchan Verma. Artist Kanchan Verma is here with us? Yes. Well, artist Kanchan Verma is awarded with a cash award of 10,000. And she's presently faculty in DAV Senior Secondary School, Sector 8C, Chandigarh. And lastly, we present a jury-recommended award to artist Manpreet Kaur for her work titled Until the Last Flame Dies. She's been given a cash award of 10,000, and she's presently working in St. Kabir Public School, Sector 26, Chandigarh. And we now move to a very special moment of this evening, dear ladies and gentlemen. We honor the legacy of three remarkable artists, educators whose life have been deeply intertwined with art, with teaching, and with quiet dedication. I first request artist Gurmeet Goldie to please come forward. Ma'am is retired headmistress, Government High School, Kajeri, UT, Chandigarh. Well, her journey, it reflects consistency, passion, discipline, and an unwavering commitment to nurture creativity. She chisels sculpture, but with that, she also chisels courage in students. She has infused courage, creativity in countless young minds, and we're truly indebted to her for her contribution in the world of art. Once again, dear ladies and gentlemen, a heartfelt, reverberating round of applause for artist Gurmeet Goldie. I next request artist Jaskamal Jeet Kaur to please come forward. Ma'am is retired lecturer, Government Model Senior Secondary School, Sector 35, Chandigarh. She is an outstanding artist, a passionate mentor whose work carries so much sensitivity and strength that has inspired generations to find confidence through their creative expression. We are truly indebted, ma'am, to have your presence and for your soulful contributions to the world of art. Her contributions in a way remind us that art is not just skill. Art basically has a voice. It has love. It is always brimming with love and passion. Thank you so much, ma'am. I now request Mr. Subhash Shaurya to please come forward. Shaurya sir, well, he's retired headmaster, Government Model High School, Khurda Jasu. With a lifelong dedication to both teaching and artistic practice, well, Sir's journey stands as a testament to passion and to perseverance. His work truly reflects experience inside, and with his example, he has encouraged, inspired countless young minds. It's truly an honor to have his presence here with us, and it's an honor to present an honor to him. Thank you so much, sir. The audience, we now come to the release of the exhibition catalogue. And well, this is not just a magazine, it carries soulful stories. It carries passionate works of artists, of teachers, of mentors who have put their heart and soul into this. I'd also request Professor D.S. Kapoor to please come forward. Kapoor sir is former Principal, Government College of Art, Chandigarh. We now take a moment to release and unleash creativity in form of this catalogue. Well, long after the exhibition walls change and we forget this day, this exact catalogue will in a way remind us of the brilliance of today. So we take a moment to release the catalogue, the stories, the shared artworks, the shared moments that this evening has gifted us all. Dear audience, it's now time to thank those soulful, charming souls who've honestly made this evening so very meaningful for all of us. So on behalf of Chandigarh Lalit Kala Academy, we present a small token of gratitude to our chief guest, Shri Nishant Yadav, IAS Deputy Commissioner, Chandigarh UT, Chandigarh Administration. We truly thank Sir for his soulful presence, for his benign presence, for encouraging us all today. We are truly elated, Sir, to have you here with all of us. And now, as a special gesture, all the award-winning teachers will be presented with a copy of a prestigious book by Professor D.S. Kapoor. He was former principal of Government College of Art, Chandigarh. The book is titled History and Heritage. It traces 150 years of college remarkable journey. I'd one by one invite all the award winners. Artist Robin Singh to please come forward. Artist Robin Singh to please come forward. Artist Prabjot Sondh. Artist Prabjot Sondh. Artist Danish Khan to please be ready. Artist Danish Khan to please be ready. Artist Sunaina. Artist Jagdeep Jolly. Yes, without your applause, this evening will be incomplete. So don't cease to. Artist Jagdeep Jolly. Artist Dalvinder Singh. Artist Dalvinder Singh. Artist Kanchan Verma. Artist Manpreet Kaur. Artist Mandeep Kaur, Manpreet Kaur. We would also take this moment, take the honor of presenting this rich legacy to our chief guest for the occasion, Shri Nishant Yadav, IAS Deputy Commissioner, Chandigarh Administration. We once again heartily thank him for his soulful presence today in this event. All the artists, award winners are requested to come forward for a group photograph.